As a result of testing and feedback received from top painters nationwide, we have put together specific tools that have been selected for the spray gun cleaning process. The result? These tools achieve maximum success using little effort in a short period of time. Process 1. Begin by a detailed cleaning and polishing of your paint spray gun with Becca's Renew Cleaning and Polishing Kit. Process 2. Now implement the Becca cleaning system for primer sealer, base coat, clear coat, 2-component materials, or single-stage materials. For the waterborne, make sure before using the spray gun, clean the spray gun using the water wave cleaner and blow it dry. Pre-rinse the spray gun to remove the gross residues. For waterborne, add H2O dry to dry out the waste for disposal. Clean the spray gun using the compressed air connection to protect the air passages. Use the flow brush to remove the paint material on the air cap and the fluid tip. And finally, use the power pistol to flush the remaining paint solids. For waterborne cleaning systems, we recommend clarification recycling system and/or H2O dry waste drying system.
Innovation for waste minimization.